Good afternoon. First of all, thank you for this opportunity, Pharma Tech. My name is Rehan Faquih, Ansell India Protective Product Private Limited company. We are a 175-year-old organization manufacturing gloves, expertise in manufacturing of gloves. We manufacture gloves at different locations in the world. Malaysia, India, Sri Lanka are some of our manufacturing excellence where we manufacture the glove. PharmaTech, we have been associated with PharmaTech since last year and it's a good event. We get to interact more of end users, which historically has been not very easily accessible considering the pharma market and the last few years of COVID. So PharmaTech has given us this platform of connecting with end customers, and this helps in building new businesses and getting more opportunities and explaining our portfolio in a single window to all the customers who visit our stall. So once again, thank you PharmaTech for all this opportunity and looking forward for your continued association in the future.